Hello, today we are talking about 10.7 day 2. It is day 2, but my number didn't change up there from yesterday. We're talking about the volume of spheres. Your essential question today is, how do you find the volume of spheres? Alright, we have a formula for volume. It's going to be V equals 4 pi r cubed, all divided by 3. Again, r represents your radius, which is the distance from the center to the edge of your sphere. Again, for this one, they give me the whole length, which is 30. So in order to find my radius, I have to take my diameter divided by 2. So we're going to do 30 divided by 2. When I do that, I get 15. And now I have what I need to plug into my formula. Again, V equals 4 pi r cubed, all divided by 3. So we're going to do 4 pi, my radius is 15 cubed, and then we're going to divide it by 3. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit so I have a little space. But at this point, we're putting it in our calculator. We want to figure out what's happening on the top before we divide it by 3. Alright, I'm going to start by cubing 15. I do 15 to the power of 3, and I get 3,375. So we have 4 pi times 3,375, all divided by 3. Again, I'm going to do 4 times 3,375. Again, I'm multiplying my two numbers on the top, so these two I'm just multiplying together. When I do that, I will have 13,500 pi, and again, that's all divided by 3. If I divide 13,500 by 3, I get 4,500 pi. That would be my answer. Again, we're talking volume, so my units would be centimeters cubed. And this would be my answer in terms of pi. Again, if I want to figure out what my actual answer would be, I would multiply it together. When I do that, I get 14,137.2 centimeters cubed. So again, either that option or the one above would work. Again, your first one's in terms of pi, your second one is rounded to the nearest decimal. Well, nearest tenth. Alright, my second one, we're going to do the same thing. Again, my formula is volume equals 4 pi r cubed, all divided by 3. So volume equals 4 pi, and they tell us r is 9. So 4 pi times 9 cubed divided by 3. If I cube 9, I get 729. So I have 4 pi times 729 divided by 3. 729 times 4 gives me 2,916 pi, all divided by 3. And if I divide my number out front by 3, I get 972 pi. Again, this would be my answer in terms of pi. My units would be centimeters cubed. Sorry, my cubed and my centimeters didn't really right. There we go. And if I want to put that in my calculator and find out my actual answer, we would get 3,053.6 centimeters cubed. And that would be your final answer. Alright, thank you for watching. Again, as always, you can go ahead and answer your questions about the video and then move on to your homework.